Hi, my name is Keith Cooper of Northlight Images. This, not in my normal temporary studio, a bit of sunlight coming out in here. I'm looking at a pair of basic video lights from Neewer that I was sent to have a look at. And I'm just seeing how actually useful they are for occasions when I'm not shooting in my office where I've got lighting set up with a softbox and various other things like that. What it is comes in each one of, there are two of them, and they come in a nice carry box here, or bag, and they are LED light panels. Now they're bicolour ones, which means they have two colour LEDs in them. Now there's one set up here, which I've got, and I've set the colour temperature, and I'll come back to setting colour temperature and brightness because that is a thing that you do need to some care with these. They are standard looking here with barn doors on it, and we can see the set of LEDs and that, and there's a diffuser on it as well, so you can adjust with the barn doors. Now I've looked at a few other lighting panels like this, and quite often they have a digital display on the back. Now I've tested the digital displays using this data color light color meter. I use that, connects up to the phone with Bluetooth, and I can check the actual color temperature of the lighting and also check how good it is, how close to white it is, whether there are going to be any balancing problems with it. Now this is particularly awkward light because we've got a sunny day outside. I've got lighting. If I was to put the room lighting on here, that is warmish LED lighting, and you'd get color casts and things. So I put just the one panel up here. If I was shooting something else on this, I'd probably have both of them running. Now they can be, it comes with a power supply, mains power supply, and a lead for it, and a stand as well, good nice solid stand. But they do have battery connectors on the back. Now you can put two batteries, and they are the types of batteries, and I've got some here I use from something else. These are NP F550s, and these have two little connectors on them, and they just slot in. Let's just pop them in there. You'll need, it doesn't come with batteries, so you will need to get some like that. And if I switch it to battery, I can see that it has lit up. Now there we go, we've got the light on there. Now it works. I've used it for half an hour on these batteries and they ran a bit low. It does eat through the battery, so you don't want to use it much. There are two controls. There is a brightness control, and that's a fairly standard brighter dimmer. In switching between those, you adjust the effective color temperature. Now there is no digital display. Let's switch that off there. There is no digital display on this, so it really is a matter of either, if you're going to use it regularly, putting a little pencil mark where you want the settings on here, or measuring it with a device like this. Now there are cheaper devices available, and you can also get software which will run on your phone, which will do things like that. But that is the lighting panel. I say it's identical one. There's comes as a pair. As I say, the NL-660, power 40 watts. It says bicolour 3200 to 5600K. And I've noticed that the daylight coming in here at the moment is probably about 5800. So this daylight, and of course it will be burnt out on this, on the video here. I'll try and edit it so it gives a good feel for it. But this daylight, I can't quite set this high enough. So if you're working in daylight conditions, the color temperature of these doesn't really go high enough, but also they're possibly not bright enough for daylight use. There are lots of things like this. I've looked at other lights and that, but I just wanted something that was small, portable. Let's say it comes in the two of them come in two bags like that, which are dead easy to put away. Make sure you find everything. So the batteries are standard batteries. You can see they just unclip like that. Power supply, run it off mains. So how does it compare with other ones I've looked at? Well, in light output, as long as you do not need to be able to precisely set things, and for example, there is no direct control. There's no Bluetooth control from an app here, which I've got on some other lighting. As a very simple basic light for taking about, it's perfectly good. If I wanted a more complex setup, if I was using a better camera, for example, and I was taking more care with lighting balance and stuff like that, I would want heavier duty ones than these. But that's not so easy to cart about. So what you got are two, I'll say pack of two of them, with nice little barn doors on them, two lighting units. Just remember that if you do need accurate setting of colour temperature, you can't go on the back. Even the ones with digital displays, though. I've done some sort of looking at this, and the digital displays are, they are repeatable, but not necessarily accurate. So if accurate colour does matter, get yourself something like that, or there are cheaper versions of it. The data color one is particularly good. That get yourself ones like that, or even a phone app that will measure color temperature and quality of light. Doing that makes it dead easy just to set things up in a hurry. You can knock it down quite quickly. Say they've come in 2 bags, so there you go. If you've got any questions, do let me know. I put some links in the notes to some of the other items I've looked at. Also where I've looked in more detail at colour output from devices like this, where I've actually done graphs showing the settings. Now the graphs would be pretty meaningless for this because I haven't got the digital display on it to be able to do the measurements. Suffice to say, they work the same way. So, good, but know the limitations of them. Other than that, nice, simple, economic solution for it. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.